Unlocking the secrets of trigonometry. The trigonometric table explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of mathematics that plays a crucial role in understanding angles and triangles. The trigonometric table. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about math, understanding this table will open up a new world of calculations and applications. So, let's get started and demystify the trigonometric table together. A trigonometric table is a tool that helps us find the values of trigonometric functions, such as sine, sin, cosine, cos, and tangent, tan, for various angles. These functions are fundamental in mathematics, especially in trigonometry, where they are used to relate the angles of a triangle to its sides. The table lists angles along one side and the corresponding values of trigonometric functions for those angles. Before the advent of calculators and computers, trigonometric tables were essential for solving problems in astronomy, navigation, engineering, and physics. Today, they still serve as a valuable educational tool, helping students understand trigonometric functions' behavior and how they relate to angles. By mastering the trigonometric table, you gain a deeper understanding of trigonometry's practical applications in real life and various scientific fields. Using a trigonometric table is straightforward. First, decide which trigonometric function value you need: sin, cos, or tan. Then, locate the angle you're interested in on the table. Follow the row or column, depending on the table's layout, to find the value of the trigonometric function for that angle. It's a quick way to perform calculations without a calculator, especially for standard angles like 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. Remembering some key values can make using trigonometric tables easier and faster. For example, knowing that sin, 0 degrees, equals 0, cos, 0 degrees, equals 1, and tan, 45 degrees, equals 1 can help you quickly identify patterns and relationships between the functions and angles. Practice and familiarity with the table will also improve your speed and accuracy in finding values. Congratulations on taking this step to understand the trigonometric table. It's a powerful tool that, once mastered, can significantly enhance your mathematical skills and problem-solving abilities. We hope this video has been helpful and has made trigonometry a bit less daunting. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring and applying these concepts. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!